This is my Google AC adapter, USB adapter. Maybe it's DC, I don't know. Anyways, I don't use it anymore because I plug my Chromecast, this little thing, I plug it into my router, which has a USB port, and it's enough to power it. This USB charger has 850 milliamps. So this is a short test to see if it'll charge my Lumia 520. So I just need to plug this in over here. Plug it in. Everything works fine. You can see it charging here at the top right, and it charges fine. So the most important thing is the amperage. 850 milliamps is around your standard smartphone charger. So if you ever need to charge a phone device, I think this will work with most smartphones or even iPhones. Well, how about I try that? Let me try an iPhone. Simple test. Chromecast USB charger, iPhone 4S, plugging it in. You can see over here, top right is charging. Again, put this closer, it's charging over here. So you can use your Chromecast USB power adapter to charge smartphones if you want. It's not recommended, but if you're in a bind and you need something to charge your phone with, this is definitely usable.